Hello class 6. Today in physics we will learn about the next physical quantity, that is measurement of time. Next physical quantity is time, and how to measure time, that we will learn. First of all, we should know what time is. Time is defined as gap between any two events. Now these two events can be anything. Like if you are in your class, the two events can be first period and the second period. Okay, so between the first and the second period, the time gap is usually 40 minutes. So in that case, the time is 40 minutes. And if you take the events to be some other thing like say beginning of the year, that is 1st January, and the next event if you take the end of the year, last day of December, then in between you have the gap as how many? 365 days, that is 1 year. So that's how we define time. The gap between any two events is known as time. Now for measuring time, we have something known as mean solar day. Now what is this mean solar day? One mean solar day is the time taken by the earth to complete one rotation around its own axis. We know earth revolves around its own axis, which causes day and night, right? And one full round it rotates around the axis takes 24 hours. So one mean solar day is actually equals to 24 hours. Now here there are some calculations given. Okay, let's see these calculations. Okay, we have this one mean solar day equals to 24 hours. But we know each hour is divided into 60 minutes. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. So how many minutes will be there in 24 hours? 24 into 60 minutes. Okay, so likewise if you multiply, you will get 1440 minutes. That means in one day, if you calculate time in minutes, and then in one day we have 1440 minutes. Okay, now let us convert minutes into seconds. 1 minute has 60 seconds, right? We all know that 1 minute has 60 seconds. So 1440 minutes will have how many seconds? Multiplied by 60. So 1440 multiplied by 60 gives us 86,400 seconds. So one mean solar day has 86,400 seconds. So one mean solar day, if you calculate in hours, it has 24 hours. One mean solar day, if you calculate in minutes, you have 1440 minutes. One mean solar day, if you calculate in seconds, then you have in one mean solar day 86,400 seconds. Now this was time given in hours, minutes and seconds. But time also has bigger units. Okay, this one we just learned that one day equals 24 hours. There is also 1 year having 365 days. Alright, then you have something called as decade. One decade equals to 10 years. These things you have to keep in mind. One decade is 10 years. Then next you have is century. One century equals to 100 years, or you can even say 10 decades. One decade is 10 years. 10 decades equals to 100 years. That is equals to 1 century. 10 decades equals to 1 century, or 100 years equals to 1 century. Then you have millennium. Okay, 1 millennium. Millennium equals to 1000 years. 1000 years equals to 1 millennium. 2000 years will be 2 millennium. 3000 years, 3 millennium. And if you calculate in terms of centuries, then in 1 millennium there are 10 centuries. Okay, the next thing that we need to know is that time, we have watches to calculate time, isn't it? You must have seen watches in your mobile phone, watches that you wear in your wrist, that is wristwatch. Now there you will see two options given. If you have ever gone to the settings of the mobile phone, and if you have gone into the settings of time settings, then you will be given two options over there. The time can be set in two options. The one is 24-hour time. Okay, one is 24-hour time and the other is 12-hour time. Now here is the comparison given between both 24-hour time and 12-hour time. I am going to start time right from midnight, when in your 12-hour time you have 12 a.m. We all know a.m. time given in a.m. If it is 12, then it is midnight. Okay, right in the night it is 12 a.m. So 12 a.m. at midnight in 24-hour time is 0 hours, or 00:00. We call it as 0 hours. Then let us see now, as the time progresses from 12 a.m. now it becomes 1 a.m. Remember, in 12-hour time you have from 1 to 12 only. In one complete circle you have from 1 to 12. So now if time is given in 1 a.m. in your 12-hour time, then the time is 1 hours. If time is 2 a.m., the time in 24-hour clock is 2 hours. Then similarly, time if it is 3 a.m. in 24-hour clock, it is 3 hours. Then 4 a.m. is 4 hours, 5 a.m. is 5 hours, 6 a.m. is 6 hours. Then similarly you have 7 a.m. is 7 hours, 8 a.m. is 8 hours, 9 a.m. is 9 hours, 10 a.m. is 10 hours, 11 a.m. is 11 hours, 11:59 a.m. is 11:59 hours. Now after this, when in 12-hour time the time switches to 12 and it becomes PM. PM we all know is noon. 12 PM is the time of noon. Then in 24 hours we write it as 12 hours, no problem. But right after this, after 12 PM in 24-hour clock, when the time goes to 1 PM, you know one full circle is only till 12. So after that it again comes to 1 in your 12-hour time. So when it goes to 1, it shows PM. And then how to calculate time in your 12 hours? In 12-hour time does not switch back to 0 again. It goes to the next. That is 13 hours. 12 hours ke baad 13 hours. Okay. Then if it is going to 2 PM, then it will show 14 hours. If it shows 3 PM, then 15 hours. Like that. 4 PM will show 16 hours. 5 PM will show 17 hours. 6 PM will show 18 hours. 7 PM 19 hours. 8 PM will show 20 hours. 9 PM 21 hours. 10 PM will show 22 hours. Alright. 11 PM will show 23 hours. And then when it is 11:59 PM in your 24-hour clock, it will be 23:59 hours. And right after 11:59, it will show in your 12-hour clock 12 AM. That is again coming back to midnight. Then we will not go to, after 23 we will not go to 24. It will be read as 0 hours again. So where we had started? We had started from 0 hours, 12 AM midnight. We come back again in that same 12 AM midnight, that is 0 hours again. So this is how the comparison between your 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock goes. Now we will learn how to convert between these two, 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. First let us learn how to convert from 12-hour time to 24-hour time. Alright. So now let us see one example here. If in 12-hour clock is more than 12 PM, okay, in 12-hour clock from 1 PM to 12 PM there is no problem. But after 12 PM, how do we convert the time in 24-hour clock? We just have to add 12 to whatever time it shows in the 12-hour clock. Let's do one example, then we will understand. Like if in 12-hour clock the time is 2 PM in 12-hour clock, then in your 24-hour clock time, how to convert that time to 24-hour time? Just add 12. time is 2 p.m. right, in your 12-hour clock. To convert in 24-hour clock, just add 12 to 2, that means 12 plus 2. So our time will be 14 hours in your 24 hours clock. In your 24-hour clock's time, 2 p.m. will be 14 hours. How did we do it? Just add 12 to the 12-hour time. Similarly, if in 12-hour clock time is showing 11 p.m., okay, then in 24 hours time, to this 11 just add 12. So 11 plus 12 is 23 hours. So 11 p.m. is 23 hours. See over here, in our comparison earlier we had seen 11 p.m. is what? In 24-hour clocks it shows 23 hours. Okay, now the reverse. In this case we learned that how to convert time from 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock. Now from 24-hour clock we will learn how to convert time to 12-hour clock. Now in 24-hour clock, if time is more than 12 hours, okay, if time is more than 12 hours, then to convert it into 12-hour clock, we do like this. Whatever time it is showing in your 24-hour clock, minus 12, and the answer will be in PM. So let's see one example here. If time is 24, in time in your 24-hour clock is showing 14 hours. Okay, time in 24-hour clock is showing 14 hours. So in 12-hour clock, how to calculate time? This 14, you minus 12 from it. See the formula here? Time minus 12. So our 14 is showing in your 14 hours clock. 14 minus 12 equals to 2. And the answer will be in PM. So here 2 PM. So 14 hours time in your 12-hour clock is actually 2 PM in your 12-hour clock. Similarly, if time in your 24-hour clock is 23 hours, if you want to convert into 12 hours clock, then from 23 you minus 12, it will show you 11 PM. Okay, or 11 PM like this. I hope you have understood how to convert from 12-hour clock to 24-hour clock and from 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock.